Everybody, good morning, if it's morning for you. Today is the 1st of February, and I want to talk about canoes. And I had a young man, he's 23 years old, and he said, "Man, Troy, how I don't make a lot of money, but I really want to moose hunt. And I don't, how can I do that?" And I said, well, I had to think back of when I was right there with them, at 23, 24, 25, as a low-ranking military member in the Air Force. But I had a vehicle, I had a truck. And moose, they hang out around water mostly. I mean, you'll see them on the mountains and stuff, but they really like to be hanging out around lakes and rivers, and water is a big deal for moose. And they like to feed in the bottom of the lakes, believe it or not, or the rivers, and that's where that sweet vegetation is at for them. So all roads lead to water when you're hunting moose, pretty much. They do get up in the high country during the rut as well, but there's a lot of them that are just flat out swamp donkeys, and they're going to hang out down on the lowlands and in the marshes and sloughs. So you can't go wrong about getting on the water. What's that mean? That means canoe. Canoe is your cheapest point of entry when it comes to moose hunting. Because, I mean, I've heard of guys riding a bicycle, but come on. And you can drive the roads, but you're going to run into everybody else. Canoe, the driving the vehicle to the put-in point for the canoe is the cheapest and most effective way to go hunting moose. And the easiest pack job. It gets you into locations. It gets you back up to those beaver dams where you pull the canoe over and you get back even further than the beaver dam. And what's that mean? Well, that means it cuts out 99% of the boat traffic that don't want to jump beaver dams, right? So now it's even closer to being all your own. And once you find these little honey holes, this is incredible for you, because you can get back there further and further and further. That's the name of the game. That's a little gold nugget for you. And then you'll get to figuring out those places. That is the cheapest way to go, where you drive a vehicle, use Google Earth, try to zoom in on where the road gets to them slow-moving sloughs. A lot of moose country and rivers here in Alaska are slow water sloughs, like being in the bayous of Florida. Seriously, I mean, they're barely moving, just creeping down. That's where the northern pike are at. And you can get a canoe. I got my first canoe for $300. Everybody's been hearing that story. And I bought a kicker motor, a 2-horse kicker motor. And that's how I hunted, with a 2-horse kicker motor. So I didn't get real far. What I did get a 60-inch bull. Pretty lucky, actually. And it was me and another guy did that with one 17-foot canoe, which has got a transom on the back. It's a canoe with a transom on one end, and you put the motor on it. That's the cheapest way you can, and most effective way, with the highest chance of success for the least amount of money, is a canoe. Now, let's say that you got deep pockets and you got a big jet boat. Do you still need a canoe? Well, if you don't know the answer to that question, you don't know as much as you think you know, because you do. It's a big deal. I use a canoe or an inflatable raft with the motor transom mount on the back, whether I'm flying, jet boat hunting for moose. I don't ATV for moose at all. There's too many other ATVers out there just, having freaking races and muddying up everything, and it just doesn't feel quite pristine enough. Anyhow, there's your little golden nuggets for today. A canoe, and I've got videos on YouTube. On Moose, go to Moose Quest on YouTube, 60-inch Club YouTube, and scroll down. You'll see one that's specifically just for canoes. I'm drinking some Wildborn coffee. It's my favorite coffee. You might even kind of know why. And this one here is called Cinnabon, and it's pretty smooth. It's I believe the beans are from from Peru, from the plantations there, and it's pretty good. Wildborncoffee.com. Check it out. It's my new go-to for good reasons as well. So have a good morning, everybody. I hope this helped you all. It's good stuff and it works. Take that to the bank, and this is one big golden nugget here, and that canoe idea. Take care.